Hey there guys, back again today with the Lexus RX350. Told you I was working on yesterday. Got too dark yesterday to re-dye, but got it all done today, this morning. Everything's looking good. No more cracks and gashes. It's a little bright out here today, so sorry if it makes it glare. But yeah, this thing is looking mint compared to what it was. Left a little note for detail. Always should do that. Never want them to mess with your work. But here's the back seats. Back seats. I labeled all the panels that I did redo so they wouldn't wipe on any of this area. This area was all covered in sticky stuff and looked grime, just horrible. This one's looking a lot better. This one was the dark black one that just had black all over here. Good all now. Everything's fresh. Labeled all the seats that I did re-dye. Let me see if I can think of a repair that was pretty bad. Let me check this out. Side looking good as well. Pretty bad cigarette burn right here. Not too bad in repair. That was the hole in the glove box there. And oh yeah, I can't forget all those fingerprints on the headliner are gone. Yes. And everyone's happy again. And we got a clean Lexus. Y'all make sure to like and subscribe, comment, let me know what y'all think. This is my first interior repair video. I just wanted to see how it would go. Y'all tell me what you think. Peace out.